helicopter shot. It goes many a mile once again. This is brilliant batting.
Shot. There it is. He's standing deep in the crease, and then the helicopter shot comes into play. Once again, the bottom man. There it is, the helicopter shot. Wow.
Oh, that helicopter's out. It's gone miles in the air and way back into the crowd.
Well, the helicopter shot. There it is. Oh, the chopper. And he's watching it. He knows it's gone, but he wants to see how far it's gone. The moment it was a hit of the middle, everybody knew it was going to go out. But how far out? It's gone over the roof. The ball's lost. It's gone out of the ground.
That was worth coming to the Chinnaswamy Stadium. Watching him retire the week. Oh, brilliant.
Unbelievable. Outstanding shot.
Goes again. Bottom and over one. Second six.
Look at the helicopter. Look at the bottom. Oh, wonderful shot.
Work with the wrists, propelling the ball in the air. Tempted to ask him if there was a helipad at the ground. He's
अब चला है हेलीकॉप्टर, लेकिन उतनी दूरी नहीं मिली, क्योंकि अगर आप शॉट पे रिप्ले पे देखेंगे तो जो बायां हाथ था वो बैक से हट गया था।
मलिंग ने जो मर्जी डाल रहे हैं, आज उसमें चौका पड़ रहा है और रोस्टम के वहां बॉल थी क्योंकि मिड ऑफ ऊपर था। ऐसा लगा कि धोनी ने ऑन साइड पे मारने की कोशिश की है, पर जब दिन हो तो जा रहा है जहां पे आपको रन मिल रहे हैं।
Dhoni is the call. He's hit it in the air. Fila trying to get underneath it. And he's gone all the way.
There you go. That'll do. I'm not quite sure what he did there, but it's very, very effective.
In the air, maybe safe. He's safe. Reaches the boundary somehow.
Mistimed this. Have a look at this shot. It's gone wrong completely. He's almost sliced it straight up, and look where it bounces.